Hi guys, Jeff here. I'm going to show you how to program these X-Wing ESCs. They're actually the same as a Hobby Wing Fly Fun, I believe is what it's called. So you can use the same programming that you use for those. But today I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do it. First off, of course, safety reasons, you can tell I've already got the propellers pulled off of the motors. You don't want them spinning up randomly and get flying off and going crazy inside your room and potentially injuring yourself, so always remove the propellers anytime you're working on it. Next, you want to disconnect all other ESCs except for one. Whichever one you're going to work on, of course, is the one that you're going to have connected, but you only program them one at a time. So disconnect all of them but the one that you're going to be working on. Next up, you're going to want to make sure that you have your receiver and your transmitter ready to go. Here's my receiver. Now, next what you'll do is you'll find the servo link for the ESC that you are going to work on directly. There it is. Now then, you'll want to figure out on your transmitter and your receiver which channel the throttle is and plug your servo lead into your throttle. Like so. So now you should have your receiver plugged in to the ESC directly. Power cable is run to the ESC, so all you have to do is plug in the battery, and motor is connected to the ESC. I like to do that because then you can check and make sure that the motor is spinning after you do the programming and calibration and everything else to it. So next up, you're going to want to grab your transmitter, like so. You're going to take the throttle, turn it up to maximum. You can go ahead and turn it on as well. Alright. Now, red light should come onto your receiver as long as they're synced up. As soon as you plug in the battery, you'll also start to hear beeps from your ESC. Like so. That's telling you that it's going into programming mode of sorts and that your throttle's at max. That's programming mode. These are the programming beeps. Each one is a different menu set of options. And that last one is the exit option, and what it'll do, it'll just repeat the options again. Now to enter the option, you just throttle down, then you'll hear the options for that specific menu item. Right now I'm under the brake one, so you hear the first beep, that's off, second beep is on. In order to set it to that option, you wait till you hear the beeps, and throttle back up. That is confirmation letting you know that it has been programmed and it will continue on through the menu process. Next up, we'll calibrate the throttle for the ESC. Go ahead and unplug the power. Set your throttle back to full on your transmitter. Plug in the battery. And after you hear the two beeps, you want to throttle down and leave it down. Then you should hear total number of beeps for your battery. This is a 3-cell battery, so we heard 3 beeps, and then we heard 1 single beep. That is to confirm that your throttle has been calibrated. Give it a quick test. There you go. That helps solve the problem if all your motors are not spinning at the same rate for the amount of throttle that you're giving it. And that should be it. Next, you just want to unplug that ESC power and move on to your next ESC until all 4 are programmed to the settings that you desire.